Hi, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz, and today we're going to be talking about the Rukka Chamb Glove. Okay, so we're going to be talking about a unique glove here from Rukka, the Rukka Chamb Glove. So as you can see, it's a 3-finger glove. It's the warmest construction for a glove you can buy. The less air channels you get between the fingers, the less chance your fingers have of getting cold. Also, then your fingers share heat and body warmth, so your fingers are going to stay warmer in this type of product. Obviously, it is a unique look and style, and it does take a little bit getting used to not having the same dexterity as a 5-finger glove, but it is the warmest construction of a glove you can buy. So let's talk about a few features of the Rukka version. So running at the back, you've got a full nylon back for abrasion resistance, glass beaded reflective round here. So that's going to give you reflection, active safety, keeping you safe in those cold winter months, which is when you're going to be using this product. Running at the front here, obviously, you've got your 2 chambers for your fingers. You keep your fingers nice and warm. They are separated on the inside by an extra layer of thermal, so nice and warm inside. Spinning it around, full suede palm, leather areas for extra reinforcement on the palm area as well. So that's going to give you extra longevity out of the glove and also a bit more abrasion resistant in those high slide areas. Large Velcro area for adjustment. This is really important to try and keep that glove on the wrist in the event of an accident, so you can tighten up nicely around the wrist area. Running down, you've got the pull tab. Again, if you're keeping that over the top of a jacket for any reason, you can pull that nice and tight around the top, or if you're going underneath, you can pull it tight and get it tight and tucked in underneath your jacket as well. Then if you saw when I turned it around, this is a Gore-Tex product. So those guys that have used Gore-Tex before know it is the best waterproof membrane on the market. You can tell other brands use it only on their highest end product. Rukka, if it's waterproof and it's a glove, it's going to be Gore-Tex. So you've got the Gore-Tex membrane with the Gore-Tex guarantee built into the glove. Talk about warranties. You've got a 2-year warranty on all Rukka glove products. So any issues you've got that 2-year backup. You know it's going to look after you for those 2 years. Fully thermal lined. So as I say, this is a full winter glove. So for any more information on the Rukka Chamb Glove with its 3-finger construction, please go to bikerheadz.co.uk and like and subscribe below.